Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Happy Monday to you all. It is June 2nd. Summer's upon us. Uh, this week we got quite a bit of important economic news releases, and we'll start off today with the market PMI, manufacturing. So we had a 56.2 previously back in April, and the final revision came in, or I mean the previous it come out with a revision, so it comes out twice in the month. So it's 56.2, and it went up, had a slight uptick to 56.4. So the ISM, another manufacturing index that we look at for the month of May. So April we had 54.9%, and forecast was supposed to go up to 55.8, and it dropped down to 53.2. So both of these indexes indicate that when there's some expansion, have a slight variance here where it looks like it's coming down on the ISM, where the PMI had a slight uptick upwards, but overall manufacturing not the greatest. A lot of it's being attributed to slower than expected jobs and new orders coming in. That's kind of contributing to the lower manufacturing numbers we're seeing here. And then construction spending also dropped, as we could see. We had back in March 0.6%, and it was supposed to forecast go upwards in April, and it dropped down to 0.2%. As a result, the stock market's down. It had a slight uptick because some upbeat manufacturing came out of China, and then it kind of looked at its own and then went the other direction. Later this week, we'll be seeing the jobs numbers, which will be probably more important numbers we'll be looking at this week. On Friday would be the big ones, but we do got the before that on Wednesday ADP, and then we'll have the weekly jobless claims on Thursday. So they'll probably maybe give us a little sneak peek to what we can expect on Friday. Bond market, we're up a little bit from where we left off on Friday, so that's a good sign there. And then so we should get hopefully a little bit but we're still in the same range, so we're not really making a huge change here in pricing, so it hasn't fluctuated as much. But so we're both interest rates are really about pretty close to where we were on Friday. So as you can kind of see, it's kind of fluctuated up and down quite a bit. So depending on where your rate sheet was on Friday is where we're at most likely today. So it could be a slight improvement, slightly worse, but for the most part we're about the same. So all right, folks. Hopefully we'll see a little bit better news here. So if you look at it, it's kind of touching towards the bottom of the range, going upwards. So we do still see improvement in the interest rates long term here until we get maybe some data that could flip the switch, so to speak. Or flip the script, so to speak. All right. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. And again, we do got a lot of economic news released this week, so stay tuned for a possible bumpy ride. Have a great day.